And you are from where?
I'm from Iran.
And what is your major?
Major? What's the meaning of major?
Your major is what you studied in college.
Oh, I studied theater.
That means you are a good actress, am I right?
I'm not famous in Iran, but I play in theater for several times.
This is your first time here, am I right?
Yes, yes.
What do you want to accomplish with English?
You mean improve my English? Why?
Yes, what are your future goals with English?
I want to take IELTS exam in Iran, and after that, I go immigration or immigrate. I don't know.
You want to travel to another country, right?
Yeah,
Where would you like to go?
I think Australia.
Why did you choose Australia from all the other countries?
Because Australia is near to our situation. Another country, it's harder than Australia for us. Because of that, we make a decision for immigrate to Australia.
Where are you now? Are you in the village?
I'm in north of Iran. It's a beautiful place.
It looks amazing where you are. There are lots of trees and green grass.
Yes, it's a fantastic place or nice place.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?